say hi? Can you say hi? Yeah? That's okay. That's the best she can do. She doesn't get out much. She thinks that we missed your birthday a few days back. And she might be right. We didn't celebrate her birthday, so it's Good Friday, and we are just going to goof off today. We're not going to do much of anything. Go do a little fishing, and I bought a new twig stove. So we're going to give that a whirl. We're going to go up on top of this hill over here, set it up, and do a little dinner, and coast today. Thanks for tuning in. Interesting. Well, what we found out was that it's a little bit windy on this side of the lake, but this is the area that we're going to go ahead and do lunch. We might pick up some more fishing on the way back towards the car, so we'll get some more of that. It was kind of funny watching Daisy chase after my fly I was throwing. Daisy, come on, get over here. What are you doing? You don't run this place. Let's go up the hill. So, here's my water bag, 2-liter system, outdoor products. I put my Sawyer water filter on, coming out, set it up. So instead of sitting there trying to squeeze that bottle all the time with 1 liter of water in it into another cup, I can just let this siphon, I guess, right into whatever thing I'm trying to fill up. So in this case it's Daisy's water dish, but I don't know if anybody can learn from that. It's not like I've invented anything great with. I've seen a lot of people put it onto their bag before. That sure beats squeezing water into a cup. I hope that's helped somebody out. Get your nose back. This isn't no. You're no good. You're no good. Onion. Mushroom. You don't even like mushrooms. because you never had one? Okay. I'll give you that. Get back. Uh-oh. I hear it cooking. Just kidding. Absolutely not. What do you think, Dave? Too much butter? What do you mean? Yeah, you're right. That doesn't even make a complete sentence, too much butter. We're doing okay. That's looking real good, doesn't it? Well, we had a couple people walk by. Didn't we, Dave? Yeah, we had a couple people walk by. We had two ladies walking their dogs. All 6 or 8 of them. The dogs, that is. Ranging from big dogs to tiny little dogs. Daisy got to meet everybody. So, we're having a great day out here. The sun is actually getting hot. And that's about the first time I can say that's happened so far this year. So, Daisy, no, you don't get to, you're not gonna sniff the fork. That's good. What do you think? That's good? No, not everybody's gonna be yours. Not everybody. Mmm. Appreciate you tuning in to another episode of Daisy Likes Steak, and we will see you next time. Thank you. Wrong way. Daisy, you're going the wrong way. Come on. Let's go.